In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check keyword rankings in Google Analytics. By the end, you'll have your Google Search Console linked to Analytics so you can see organic keyword data and ranking insights right inside your Analytics account. Start by signing into your Google Analytics account. Make sure you're using the property where you want to see Search Console data and confirm you have the right permissions. You'll typically need editor or administrator access in Analytics and owner access in Search Console to complete the link. Open the admin area by clicking the gear icon in the lower left corner. In the admin screen, look for the Product Links section. This is where Analytics lets you connect to other Google products. Choose Search Console Links to begin the connection process. Select Choose Account. From here, pick the Search Console property you want to add. Take a moment to verify you're selecting the correct site and property type, whether it's a domain property or a URL prefix property. It's best to link the exact version that matches your Analytics implementation, including protocol and subdomain if applicable. Remember, each Analytics property can be linked to one Search Console property, so choose carefully. Click Next and follow the prompts on your screen. You'll review the selection, confirm the link, and submit. The interface will guide you through any remaining confirmations. After you finish, the connection is created and Search Console will be added to your Analytics property. Data typically starts to appear shortly, though it can take a little time to populate. Once the link is active, you'll be able to see organic keyword data sourced from Search Console within Analytics. This includes queries that brought users to your site, along with impressions, clicks, click-through rate, and average position. Keep in mind these are Search Console metrics, not Analytics sessions, so numbers may not match other traffic reports exactly. Use date range controls and comparisons to track progress over time and identify which queries are improving in position. If you don't see the Search Console reports in your navigation, go to Library at the bottom of the left-hand menu. Find the Search Console collection, click the three dots next to it, and hit Publish. This adds the Search Console reports to your main reports section so they're easy to access going forward. That's it. With this setup, you can quickly monitor keyword rankings and organic performance directly in Google Analytics, giving you a clearer view of what's driving search visibility and where to focus your SEO efforts.